Coffee and orange will make you look 20 years younger, no matter your
Guys,
age.
to prepare this recipe, we need cucumber. First of all, you gritter the cucumber or you blend it. Cucumber is rich in vitamin C and folic acid source. The vitamin C in the cucumber can wake skin up and stimulate new cells growth. There are so many benefits of using cucumber for anti-aging. This recipe will make you look younger than your age, no matter what. Cucumber is very active for youthful skin. If you want to get that youthful skin, cucumber is one of the best remedies for it. So after grating the cucumber, the next thing we do is we sieve it out. We need the cucumber juice. So you have to sieve it out to get the juice. We sieve it out. So this is the cucumber juice. In another bowl, take 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice and put it in a bowl. Then the next thing we need is coffee. We need coffee. You add a teaspoon of coffee. Then you mix it very well. You mix it very well. So the next thing we need is milk. We need milk. So this is the milk. You take 1.5 teaspoon of milk. Then you mix it very well. Guys, this recipe is very active. Guys, just give it a try and tell me what you think in the comment section. So after mixing the milk, the next thing we need is honey. You add 1/2 tablespoon of honey. You add 1/2 tablespoon of honey. Then you mix it. You mix it. Then we need an orange. So we need orange. We need orange juice. You squeeze out the orange juice. You add orange juice. Then you mix it very well. So guys, the last thing we need is baking soda. Just add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Then you mix it very well. I will show you guys how to apply it. Mix it very well. So this is it. So guys, this is how to apply it. You apply it on your skin. Either you use your hand or you use makeup brush to apply it. You apply it on your face and also on your neck. Then you leave it for 30 minutes, then you wash it off with warm water. Make sure you wash your face before applying this mixture and wash it off after 30 minutes. To get perfect result, repeat this 3 times a week for perfect result. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please like this video and also share this video to your family and friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on your notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. If you're watching this video from Facebook, please follow my page and like my page.